Hello everyone, this is Imran and warm welcome to my cooking video. Today I will share you a cooking video that's going to be very interesting. So stay with me and enjoy the video. Let me begin. Okay. My ingredients are cabbage and bean. So at first I take onion, garlic and chili. So I'm cutting garlic and onion. Beside the garlic and onion, chili is there. I will cut one by one that you are going to see. Now you can see the garlic, onion and chili. Okay. Well, you can see I'm cutting. Here is my all ingredients: cabbage, bean and other ingredients. Alright. Enjoy the video with me. I'm cutting one by one every pieces of garlic. After that I will cut onion. I completed to cut and now I'm cutting cabbage. You can see here's I cut two parts of cabbage. Here's the part one. I'm cutting the cabbage. I will cut into different pieces this cabbage. Okay. Here's I'm removing. Well, here's the different leaf of cabbage I'm cutting. You can see I will cut one by one every pieces and every leaf of cabbage, and I will make a tasty and healthy food that going to be show you. So enjoy with me and get entertained. Alright, you can see clearly, I hope so. Well, I'm cutting cabbage is the second part and it almost completed. After that I will cut bean, that I'll show you as well as I saw you in another video. Well, you can see clearly, so here is our bean and potato. And I'm cutting bean. I'm cutting and I will make a tasty food with fried, because I'm going to make it fry. Alright, I'm taking aggregate of bean. That after that I'm cutting every pieces of bean. You can see here. Well, it looks like very cool, but it's going to be very hot tasty food. I hope you will enjoy it and get entertained. So stay with me and enjoy. Okay, you can see I'm cutting every pieces of bean. Here's the remaining of other pot. Okay, I completed my cutting of bean and I'm cutting potato. I will cut potato into different little pieces as I can, as possible as I can. My friends is helping me to cook this food. Well, the potato is almost finished to cut, and after that I will start to cook. So don't go somewhere, enjoy. Well, and I completed. I put all of ingredients in the pot and fire to start the cook, and I pour oil and some other ingredients in the pot. You can see I mixed all of ingredients. Well, I'm giving salt to make a perfect and tasty food. Well, it looks like very cool, but it's going to be very hot. Okay, here is the chili powder, and after that I will give 2 spoons of turmeric powder. Okay, here you can see. After that I'm going to mix it clearly. Well, you can see I'm mixing. Turmeric powder and chili powder will make me a perfect color of this food. And here's some other ingredients that I'm going to pour it, that you can see. Alright, hope you can see clearly, and it's taking its color. Okay, I'm mixing and mixing. I will mix until the cook completed. Well, and I'm going to cover it again. Well, give some required amount of water. You can guess as your amount of your ingredients. The cook is almost finished, but it needs